What is up, guys? Welcome back to TK's Garage, and this is a short dedicated video today. Now this, to most people, you're thinking like this is just a BMW, right? I thought so too. And then after they're like plugging the VIN in and then them updating the listing, this is a BMW B7 Alpina. Yeah, and this thing is only going for the low price right now is 900 bucks. Now I think at auction, because of how it's sitting and you know the condition of the interior, it's a little nasty, that this thing is going to go for not a lot of money. And I know some of you guys, it's listed as a start, it doesn't drive, so it has typical 7 series transmission problems. That doesn't bother me. It's got the BMW individual branding there, BMW individual on the rear. This one right here is definitely intriguing to me, and it's kind of a bonus video for you guys today, just a one-off, just one vehicle, asking your guys' opinion on this BMW. Now, you guys have been asking, shout out to my BMW family, because that's where I come from. This channel at its inception back in the day was Beamer Man. That's right. All BMWs all the time, pretty much. Maintenance, driving, you know, had a bunch of M's back then. So let me know what you guys think about this one, man. I think this is a cool little one-off project, and I don't think, like, I know these cars, so I know what goes wrong with the transmissions. It's usually never anything mechanical. It's usually always computer stuff that goes bad, like mechatronics units and stuff like that. That's kind of concerning that that's all apart. But there's cobwebs in here. This thing hasn't run in a long time. It's been sitting. But I see where people took it apart because they were looking to see if it was flood damaged or what the situation was. But this is not bad. Schwartz metallic, huh? Not bad at all. And I'll see if I can get a screen grab of it. But yeah, it is listed as a B7 Alpina. Now those rims kind of look like that, but I don't see any other B7 badging. That's the lot number. We'll take a look at it, but I don't see any other specific B7 badging. But they do have this thing listed as a B7 Alpina. So, interesting. Anyway, just a little one-off video, guys. Bonus video for you guys today. It might have been something where I was doing all Mustangs, or you know, all one brand, and I saw this and I wanted to get this in. So let me know what you guys think about this BMW 7 Series, whether it's a B7 Alpina or a 750. I probably could pick this thing up for less than 3 grand. Yeah, let me know what you guys think.